10th question, the sum of rational terms in root 2 plus 5th root of 3 power 10 is. Yeah, so whenever they talk about rational or irrational terms, the first thing what we do is we will try to write the general expansion. So if you compare this with x plus a power n, here the value of x is root 2, the value of a is 5th root of 3, and the value of n is 10. Now we will substitute this in our formula. So the general formula is Tr plus 1 equal to NCr x power n minus r into a power r. So this is the general formula. So therefore except r you have to substitute everything. So n is 10, c, r write as it is, x is root 2, which I will write it as 2 power half, power n is 10 minus r, into a is 5th root of 3, which I can write it as 3 power 1 by 5 power r. Yes. Now you have to find the sum of rational terms. So now I will do it like this. This is 10cr into, this can be written as 2 power 10 by 2, that is 5, minus r by 2 into 3 power r by 5. So this can be written in this form. Now we have to see for what values of r this term becomes rational. Okay. Now we know that the value of r can start from 0, because x plus a power n, the expansion is nc0. So r can take any value from 0 up to the power 10, that is r can be 0, 1, 2, last it can go up to 10c0, 10c1, last it can go up to 10. So value of r can be taken from 0 to 10. Okay. From 0 to 10 there are 11 values. You have to see for which all values of r this term becomes integer. Okay. Now when you put r equal to 0, obviously this term becomes an integer, because when you put r is equal to 0, 0 by 2 becomes 0, 2 power 5 is an integer, 0 by 5 is 0, 3 power 0 is 1, which is an integer. Okay, like that. So first count is for 0. Then next count, I think it is directly 10, because not even 5, because if you put 5, 5 by 5 becomes integer, but 5 by 2 still remains non-integer, so you will not get a rational number. So 5 by 2 is still a fraction. So next happens for 10. So when you put 10, 10 by 2 integer, 10 by 5 integer. Yes. So therefore there are only two values for which from 0 to 10 this term becomes integer, that is r equal to 0 and r equal to 10. Now they are telling what is the sum of those rational terms. Okay. Now to find the sum of rational terms, we will put r equal to 0 here. If you put r is equal to 0, we will get 10c0 into 2 power, this will be 0, so 2 power 5 into 3 power 0 by 5 will be 0, 3 power 0 and 10c0 is 1, so 2 power 5 is 32. Another rational happens for r equal to 10, so find that value. So it will be 10c10 into 2 power 5 minus 10 by 2, that is 5, into 3 power 10 by 5, that is 2. Now 10c10 is 1, 2 power 0 is 1, 3 square is 9. Now the question was to find the sum of these rational terms. So 32 plus 9 is 41. Therefore 41 is the correct answer for the question.